I need a bad bitch. Addison Rae.
Miss Addison Rae. She sent over some products from her newest launch, which is cream blushes. What is up? It's Rissa. Welcome to my channel. Miss Addison Rae. She sent over some products from her newest launch, which is cream blushes. This is what the packaging looks like. It looked a lot better when it came in the mail. So we have this little poster. We have the beautiful Addison Rae right here. The blush name is called Blushin' Like Cream Blush. This is what they look like, and it comes in 5 shades right here. It launched on Sephora on February 8th, so it's out already when you watch this video. Blushin' like your crush just walked in. I think that is so freaking cute. This is what the journal looks like. I'm actually wearing Item Beauty's concealer today. I freaking love this concealer. Here is the actual blushes in the actual box. Yeah, this reminds me of just like 2000, and I just love the look of this. Oh, it comes with candy. Then we have the 5 shades right here. So I'm actually gonna take them all out. These are the 5 shades. We have the shade Admit It, Oopsies, I'm Crushin', It's Verified, and Bad Bleep. I'm gonna try Addison's favorite shade, which is Bad Bleep. Berry tone. This is what it looks like. It just says Item Beauty in the front. It's so small and cute. I love that. Ooh, that looks so nice. And I know I have blush, but we're just gonna see what the formula is like. Let's just try it on. These are really pigmented. Oh my god. Oh wait. These are so pigmented. Hold up. This is what Bad Bleep looks like. I think it's so pretty. I normally don't go for like really berry tones. Yeah, that's what the blush looks like. I'm just gonna swatch all of these. So this is the shade Bad Bleep, shade Admit It. My arm. That's the shade Admit It. It's super, oh, I love that color too. It's cream product, and then when you put it on your skin, it kind of goes into like a powder formula. So into It's Verified, Nude Peach. So we're gonna swatch that here. This is It's Verified. It's like a pink peach tone. And Crushin', which is like a hot red. Very orange red color. That is so pretty. I feel like that would be my shade too that I would grab. Let's try the shade Oopsie. Fingers. So we're just gonna use my thumb. As you can see, like I'm Crushin' is a bright red. It's Verified is more of like a muted nude peach color. Bad Bleep is full on mauve, and I love that. Admit It again is more of that deep red pink with a hint of mauve, and then Oopsies, which is a baby pink, and I love these. I think my favorite out of these are Bad Bleep and Oopsies and Admit It. Thank you so much again, Addison Rae and Item Beauty, for sending over these amazing blushes. I am active on my TikTok page at All Things Rissa. That is where I do everything like makeup. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.